Case CR 17-9, State versus Destin Horne, charged with possession with purpose to deliver controlled substances, paraphernalia, near certain facilities.
May I approach, Your Honor?
You may. Mr. Horne, I have appointed the Public Defender's Office to represent you, and it looks like you're appearing for an arraignment.
Judge, based on our appointment, we would waive reading of the information in our plea of not guilty.
Okay, we'll enter that plea of not guilty. And when will we be having pre-trials unit?
April 13th, Your Honor.
Judge, it appears from looking at the docket that Mr. Horne may also have a probation violation
Okay,
that's been filed or is going to be filed.
all right.
So bond won't be an issue at this point.
He actually has a revocation from, I think stemming back from October, that I think we need to have a hearing on.
Okay, we'll have to look
There's a
at it.
previous revocation that we haven't had a hearing on.
I'll set the pre-trial in the case we just handled it for April 13th at 10 o'clock. Let me look and see what else we have on him, if anything. There's a 15-4. Let me see if there's a... There was a revocation petition filed. It was served. Revocation hearing.
I think it's Judge Webb's case, that's why.
Okay,
Getting
yeah,
close to the
it's
time.
before Judge Webb on the 26th.
The 26th of this month? Thank you.
Okay, all right, well, that would be all, sir, thank you. State versus Cassandra Oliver, 17-9. Possession of controlled substances, paraphernalia. Ma'am, I've appointed the Public Defender's Office to represent you. Let's see. Looks like you're appearing for an arraignment.
Judge, based on our appointment, we waive reading of the information in our plea of not guilty.
Okay,
Looks like this case is set in Division 4. We could have her reappear next time Judge Webb is here for bond issues.
Judge Will will be here on January 26th at 9 o'clock. Reappear on that date, ma'am. State versus Jared Willis, CR 17-10, drug paraphernalia, criminal trespass.
Did you think our bond was a little high?
Mr. Willis? Are you Mr. Willis?
Yes, sir.
I've appointed the Public Defender's Office to represent you. You're appearing for an arraignment.
Judge, we waive reading of the information in our plea of not guilty.
Okay.
Speaking with the prosecutor, I believe a probation violation is forthcoming, so we'll leave the bond issue to Judge Webb next time he's here.
Okay. We'll reappear on January 26th at 9 o'clock, okay? Thank you. State versus Caleb Darnell, CR 16-427, burglary, theft. Sir, I've appointed the Public Defender's Office to represent you. You're appearing for an arraignment on charges of residential burglary and theft of property. How does he plead?
Not guilty, Your Honor.
Okay, we'll enter the plea of not guilty. Reappear on April 13th at 10 o'clock for a pre-trial.
Is there any way that I might be able to try and resolve this matter today?
I'm sorry, would you repeat that?
Is there any way that I might be able to come over and try resolving this matter today?
Possibly the Public Defender's Office representing you, I'll let them tell me whether we need to do that or not.
I'll look at the file, Your Honor.
Okay, he says, Mr. Bailey says he's gonna look at the file, okay?
All right, thank you, sir.
Okay. CR 17-11, State versus Taylor, George, theft of property. Sir, I've appointed the Public Defender's Office to represent you. You appear for an arraignment on charge of theft of property. How does he plead?
Not guilty, Your Honor.
Okay, we'll enter the plea of not guilty. We'll set a pretrial on April 13th at 10 o'clock. Anything further?
If you could have him reappear in front of Judge Webb next time he's here.
Okay.
He has a parole violation. I believe they might be able to get this resolved sooner
Okay.
than that.
We'll have him first appear. Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah, I was wondering if, I spoke to my parole officer, I got to the deal about maybe, going into a program, and I didn't know if, what the violation, status was or anything like that.
Is there,
Mr. Cooper, hey Taylor, Mr. Cooper will look at it and he'll let you know by the 26th, okay?
Okay, thank
All
you.
right, yep.
26, 9 o'clock. State versus Mitchell Teaconchuck, CR 17-6, fleeing, unauthorized use of vehicle, reckless driving, suspended license. Okay, I've appointed the Public Defender's Office to represent you, sir. And you're appearing for an arraignment. How does he plead?
Judge, we plead not guilty right now only because I don't have any discovery, and he's got, I believe, a probation violation or a parole violation pending as well.
Okay. In your case is before Judge Webb. He'll be here on January 26th at 9 o'clock. So that's your next appearance. Well, thank you.
Thank you.